One wrong registry change can crash Windows. But if you know this one backup trick, you can undo everything in seconds. Today, I will show you how to backup and restore the Windows registry safely, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Infotrix. Before fixing Windows using Registry Editor, you must know how to backup and restore it. This works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, and it's totally beginner friendly. First, you have to open your Registry Editor. For opening your Registry Editor, click on the Start and R button. Type here REG Edit and click Enter. User account control options, you have to click here Yes. Then you can find this Registry Editor window. Also, you can open your Registry Editor from here. Click on the Start menu and type here Registry Editor. And you can find this Registry Editor, click on it. User account control option, click Yes. And here, this is your Registry Editor window. When you are changing only one specific settings, you can follow these steps. Then I will show you how to back up a complete snapshot of your registry later. So let's begin. For that, first open your Registry Editor and navigate the file. Which file you want to edit? So I want to edit my Microsoft Excel file. I will navigate this path from here, H key current user, expand these options, and from here expand this option software and find it for Microsoft. This one, expand it and find the options Office. Expand Office, and this is your Excel file. Select this Excel file, right click on it and click Export. Then you have to select the location path for store this backup file. You can save it to your internal drive or in desktop. I will save it to my desktop, so I select here desktop and give the file name. I will give this a file name to Office Excel Registry Backup and click Save. So this will be saved on your desktop. Here it is, you can see this. Here is your backup file. For export your full registry, this creates a complete snapshot of your registry. So let's go for export the full registry. For that, first you have to go to your Registry Editor panel, and here this is your Registry Editor window, and in the left side you can find this option File. Click on it and click on these export options. From the bottom left you have to select these options all and give the save location. I will save this file into my desktop, so I will select this desktop options and give the file name. I will give this file name full registry backup and click save. It will take some time and save it to your desktop. I will show you two different methods for restore your registry files. First one is restore directly using the registration files, and then I will show you the second method is restore inside from the Registry Editor. So let's begin. For restore using registration files, you have to click on your registration type file, double click on it, and user account control option, select Yes. Then don't care about this window. Just you have to click here Yes. And the keys and values contains this path have been successfully added to your registry. Then click OK. And you have to restart your PC. And also you can restore your registry settings from directly inside the Registry Editor. For that, first open your Registry Editor windows and from the left click on the File menu. And you can see this option Import. Click on it. Choose your registration file. Here is your registration file. Select this file and click here Open. Then it will take some time and automatically restore your full registry settings. Then restart your computer. Never restore random registry files from the internet. Always restart after restoring. Don't edit registry without a backup. Don't worry, we will cover offline registry restore in an advanced video later in this series. So follow my channel and hit the like and subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you can get all the video notifications from the channel. Like if safety matters to you. Subscribe to Infotrix for verified Windows fixes. Comment backup done after creating your first registry backup.